Hi, I'm out front of the Mountain View Public Library here, and I'd like to introduce you to something new you can borrow. Let's go check it out. Hi, Ryan.
Oh, hi, Mark.
What you working on here?
I'm going to take a ride on my bike today, and I'm just going to check it over to make sure it's safe to ride.
Fantastic. I see you have some tools here.
Yeah, I have this cool toolkit that I just checked out from the Mountain View Library.
Oh, that's fantastic. Well, since you're the bike expert, can you walk us through some of the things that are included here?
Sure will. So this is a tire pump, and this is a multi-socket tool. This is a crank arm extractor with a 15 millimeter spanner. It has tire levers. It comes with a glueless patch kit to repair the inner tube.
That's convenient.
And it has a multiple hex key Allen key wrench set. And it also has a socket as well as a wrench with a spoke tool. So it comes with a lot of stuff. These tools come in a nice little portable tool bag that you could use to mount it onto the bicycle. So all you have to do is just slip this in, and you have two Velcro straps, and there's two places you could mount the bag, and you could mount it underneath the top tube. So it stays securely in place right there. Or if you don't have room on the underneath of the top tube, you could also mount it underneath your handlebar in the front. Just like this. Two straps. And voila! Ready to ride.
Well, thanks for walking me through all those tools. So how can I go about borrowing one of these kits?
You can pick one up at the customer service desk on the first floor of the library.
Could I also borrow it like a book through the catalog?
Yes, it's available for checkout for 1 week.
Okay.
And if you need it for longer time, you can renew it if you need to.
Oh, that's fantastic. I can't wait to borrow one of these kits. Are you going to be around next month at the Drop-In Bike Clinic in case I need a little more professional help?
Yes, I will be. I'll be at the Drop-In Bike Clinic every third Saturday of the month. So if you'd like, you can actually check at the front desk of when the hours I'll be available.
I'm sure we can find that on the events calendar as well?
Yes.
Wonderful. Well, it was wonderful seeing you. I don't want to keep you from your ride. Have a good day.
Thank you. Take care.